Hey everybody, from my name is Albert Corey. For almost 4 decades, we assisted small business owners to increase their profits to achieve their dreams. This has been done. We're going to show you my ninja profit secrets, how you can increase your profits through simple marketing and accounting principles. This is take 4 because the internet has been cooperative. So if you're watching this, sharing is caring. Okay, so now let's go here with the show. We're going to show you how to make your house a tax deduction. Okay, so that's the name of the show today, is how to make your house a tax deduction. First of all, in order to deduct everything, you must have a business. This business can be either you could be a 1099, meaning that you're a contractor where they don't take money out of your check. You could be working from your house because you have a business. What you cannot be is a W-2 form where you have no business going. Now, a business could be as simple as you start an eBay, you drive Uber, you sell on Etsy, you're a realtor. So almost anything is considered a business as long as you're actively building a company. As long as you're not, and by the way, you also can be a W-2 employee and have a business on the side. I have plenty of my clients who we started businesses because they have a dream of building an empire, and you let the government start to pay for it. So now the first thing we're going to go over is, guess what? You can deduct all your home utilities, meaning your water, your garbage, garbage, repairs, almost anything you can do in your house. But here's what the government's going to tell you how to do it. The government says, as on the code says, you can take a business percentage of the house. What does that mean? You figure out what the square percentage of your house is. That means you measure the perimeter, and then you take a bedroom or whatever your workspace is, and then you divide that. That gives you a percentage. Now, after almost 40 years and 16,000 business owners, I always say you can deduct about 20% of your utility bills, 20% of your utility bills. So that becomes a lot. Now, like I said, you can only deduct the business use, meaning that obviously you can't deduct the laundry room. You can't deduct the laundry room. You can't deduct your bathroom. So you only can deduct a portion that's done, and that's why you take the percentage. That's why you can only take the percentage of the house that you use. Now, another thing you can deduct is your internet and your cable bill. Because in today's day and age, your cable bill, your internet bill is an intricate part of your business. I mean, as it is right now, you can see we're broadcasting on it. Everybody's using YouTube videos to learn. Everybody's using Zoom and coaching and going online. So your internet is done also by the business percentage. I've been telling people, most people can deduct about 80% of your cable bill and your internet. Even guess what? Even your cable bill is deductible because, every day I'm watching the news. I watch a lot of the business news. I watch, since I'm also a realtor, I tend to watch Discovery TV, not HGTV, and these kind of things. Because every time I watch these shows, I'm learning extra things that I'm taking into my business. So that all becomes deductible. So now another thing you can deduct is if you live in a condo, guess what? If you live in a condo, then you can take your condo fees. In some of these condos I know that I'm working with, that could be a big chunk. The average condo fee that we deal with is what, $500-$600, $400. Well, if you take $400 times 12 is $480, and and 20% of $484,800 is almost $1,000 deduction. So that could be huge. That could be very huge when you're trying to deduct and save money on your tax return. Another thing, it works the same way as rent. Same thing with rent. Take 20%. Doesn't matter whether you're living in an apartment. Doesn't matter where you're living in a house. That's still deductible. Obviously, if you pay somebody to clean your house, you get a percentage. Usually I tell people you could probably take most of the cleaning because, you can't really clean just one room. So now all that becomes deductible. Now, if you want more information, you want a way to get a hold of us, I want you to take out your cell phone and go to the QRC code on your phone. If you have an iPhone, you just go to the top of the screen, push it down, and it's that little button that looks like a little square. So you can aim that picture, and guess what? You can get all your contact information. Just aim it on this TV. So that is going to be another episode that we're going to go over. And when you take our Ninja Profits class, we answer all your questions to get there. So now I want you to go to your phone, and I want you to get your QR phone reader and take a picture of this code. Now, once you get a picture of this code, you'll be able to have all my contact information. You'll be able to get me on YouTube. You'll be able to get me on Facebook. You can even set an appointment with me just by looking at this QR code. So it's very easy, simple way to track me and get a hold of me. Now, thank you for showing up. Because you're here today, we're going to give you some amazing gifts. You're going to get my gift box of easy steps to increase your profit. It's part of my Ninja Profit system, where we're going to show you simple marketing and accounting techniques, the same ones I've been using for almost 4 decades as a senior accounting advisor to make sure you can put more money in your pocket. And that's the name of the game. Because guess what? I want you to right now, and I want you to close your eyes and think about what you can do with an extra 5 or 10% of your profit. I want you to think about it and what could you do with it? Maybe go on vacation, maybe buy a new car, maybe buy a new TV, buy new equipment, take a coaching program. I mean, there's plenty of things you can do when you're getting that extra profit in your pocket. See, the value when you text Taxman to 26786, our bonus package, and we're going to give you the links and everything below. Our bonus packages are valued at $199 because you're going to get a copy of my book, The Art of Perception. You're going to get a copy of a sample copy of a One Habit, which has 300 tips, simple tips from 150 entrepreneurs that's going to take you to the next level. All this is valued at $199. Guess what? This is all free, free, but you got to text Taxman to 26786. That's Taxman to 26786. You can get all my free gifts. Like I said, one of the links you can get a free consultation. One of the links you can get a free consultation. So how's that? So that's pretty cool. So you also can go to Albert C 360 to get our consultations. You can book your review. If you have any questions or comments, if you're watching this on Facebook, you could always post it below. If you post it below, if you're watching this on YouTube and you can see the return review on YouTube, just leave a comment and everything comes back to me. My name is Albert Corey, the Ninja Profits from Ninja Profits Academy, where every day we come on, we show simple marketing and accounting techniques that I've been using every day with my clients to grow their business, to increase their profits. If you have any suggestions for our new shows, because I'm on almost every day on Facebook, always leave your comments below and we will answer them. If it's a question that's more private, you can hit me up. For if you're watching this on Messenger, on Facebook, you can hit me up below. Or like I said, there'll be links if you're watching this on YouTube, there'll be links below that you can get a hold of me and set an appointment. So this is Albert. Thank you guys, and we will talk to everybody soon. Bye-bye.